Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to see where to find, guys. Okay, where to find the relay for the steering column lock. Stay with us, we'll explain where that relay is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money, guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. For the steering column lock relay, guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open just one of them, the one that's located under the hood of your truck, guys. So if we open the hood and you come to the left side, right behind your car battery, that's the 12-volt battery, and if you come right there, this cover right here is for the fuse box. You open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout just like this one, with that being the front of your F-150, guys. This is towards the windshield side. So let's explain why it's important first to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the steering column lock relay, guys, where it's located. First, you will see that you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really expensive or hard to find at the parts stores. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones from at a good price and quick shipping as well. The steering column relay will be located in that fuse panel right here, that box right here. And if you look the one on the very top left side, that's the steering column lock relay that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.